Do you know what this forehead is called in Igbo language? What about your nose hair? What about your lips? My name is Amarachi and I help you speak Igbo language like a pro. Parts of the body in Igbo language, we call it akụkụ ahụ dị iche iche. The body is ahụ. We're going to talk about the head and the face region. The head, we call it isi. Hair, ntutu, isi. The forehead, egedege ihu. Face is ihu. The eyebrow, nkuanya. We call the eyelid nkuchianya. We call the eyes anya. The main eye, we call it muranya. The nose, we call it imi. The nose hair, we call it aji imi. The mouth, we call it ono. The upper lip, we call it egbugbere ọnụ elu. Then the down one is called egbugbere ọnụ ala. Teeth, we call it eze. The up teeth, eze elu. The one down, eze ala. The tongue, ire. The jaw, agba. And the beard, we call it afuono. The cheek, nti. The ear, nti. In the next class, we are going to talk about the upper body. I know you don't want to miss it. Make sure you like, follow, share,